was recently gifted these KissNow picture frames, and I am so excited to unbox them and see what they look like. Right off the bat, I can see the box is adorable. They have these little words on the back. It says memories need showcasing too. Frames aren't just decor. They narrate unforgettable tales. Your world are frame, forever frame. Just adorable presentation. So let's open them up. The box was a little bit damaged in shipping. That's absolutely not the fault of the brand, but I hope all of our frames are intact here. So it came with 5 11 by 14-inch frames. They do have the brown frame. I can tell they're super high quality, and it also looks like it comes with some hanging hardware. I'm so excited about this. They're going to look so cute in my house. Let me see if I can give you... It's hard to see with you're getting a reflection, but I think these are going to look so cute with a little mat in here and my pictures. So let's see. I did get 5. They're all the same 11 by 14 inches in the brown frames. 4 and 5. So I am already scheming up the pictures that I can be putting in here. I will likely hang them somewhere in my living room. I'm so excited about these. They are great quality. They are beautiful frames. And it is always just so nice to have pictures of family hanging around that you can look at. Absolutely beautiful.